Guys, so welcome back. Now in this video we want to learn how to draft a kit waistcoat or jacket, right? So first thing I am doing here is to mark out the baseline. So once the baseline has been marked out properly this way, so the next thing to do here is to also mark out this baseline as well. You also mark out this baseline as well. Then after which you mark it out. Make sure it's straight enough because all your markings must be on a straight line. Then cut out this line as shown. Cut it out as shown. Cut it out as shown. Then after which you also cut out another line if you wish. So the next thing to do here is to apply the length of the waistcoat, which is 23. So from here you mark 23 plus extra 1 inch. That's 24. Mark it as well. And mark it as well in this form. Then connect the line as shown. Once you connect it this way, then from here you mark 1 inch for the button allowance. For the button allowance, mark 1 inch as well for the button allowance. Then connect the line as shown. Connect the lines in this form as well. Then after that, the next thing to do here is to mark your chest measurements. So with the chest I have is a chest of 32. I'm just assuming, then plus extra 1 inch, that's 38. I'm using 9, 38. So the waist is the chest is 32 for real, right? Then you add extra 1 inch, that's making it to be 9. Then you mark it all through this way. Mark it all through this way. Mark a straight line this way. Then you have gotten the body frame or body size. So the next thing to do here now is to apply your shoulder. So the shoulder I have is a shoulder of 15 shoulder. That's 7.5. You mark 7.5, 15. Then from there, mark 2 inches inside. Then from that end, mark neckline of 3.5. 2.5 for the sleeve. Then measure what is left there. Make sure it's exact, 2 inches as well. Then from there, get your neck depth, which I am using 9.5. So you connect the line because you are making a V neckline. You connect it all straight. If you're making a curvy line, you connect as curvy, right? So connect it in a V shape form because it's a V jacket. Then from there, you blend it in. Blend it in that way. Then after this, the next thing to do here as well is to get your armhole depth. So from here, I am measuring armhole depth of 10. Bear in mind, I will still slope and I will still work on it. Then from here, freehand sketch, connect to the 2 inches there, that way. Then come down by 1 inch or 1/4 for the shoulder slope. Slope it outrightly to the tip of the button allowance. Then connect as shown. Then after that, the next thing to do now is to locate the center point of this, measuring from there, getting it at that point. Then from there, come up by 1 inch, come up by 1 inch as well, and then you connect in a V shape form. Connect in a V shape form. Connect in a V shaped form that way, and that is all you need to do. So I think the back we still need the lining or could be the same fabric. So whichever one you want to do. So you place the 1 inch off from the center fold, and then trying to cut the back panel at this point. You make sure it's properly arranged in that form. Then extend there by 2 inches, and there as well by 2 inches. Connect the line in this form. Connect, make sure that the shoulder lines are equal. Then the back neck depth will be 2 inches neck depth, 2 inches. Then from there you curve in that direction. Curve as well in this direction. Curve as well in this direction. Curve as well in this direction. Make sure everything is properly connected. Then once it's connected, then you also indicate this. Indicate so that you know where to raise it up from. Mark the lines as shown. Then once you are done with that, you now connect. The back will be straight. The back will not be curvy as the front was, right? So don't make the mistake of making the back to be pointed. The back must be straight while the front will drop like a sharp edge. So that is all you need to do. So the next video you'll be seeing now will be on the video of the gumming and of course the stitching aspects. Then fold the back neck region to come in front, and then trim any excesses that does not synchronize. Make sure that when you fold it back to the front, it must tally with the front shoulder region, right? So don't forget that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.